This is Jake Rossman with Digital Trends. We are here at the Sands Expo of CES 2018 with Tersa. You may have recognized them from Indiegogo. They are a mirror, but more importantly, they are a self-steaming and shirt straightening device that launched last year. And I'm here with Charlie Warden, the CEO and founder of Tersa. Why don't you tell me a little bit about what inspired the idea behind this and what people, what are the use cases and why people need something like this?
Yeah, so it was pretty simple, really. Adam, Aaron, and myself, the three founders, we lived in a fraternity house our first year on campus in undergrad, and we shared a room with 5 guys, a house with about 60 guys, and 1 washing machine. So we wanted something cool to hang on the wall to clean our towels, underwear, shirts, shorts, anything we needed to stay fresh. So that's where the idea came from about 5 years ago.
Okay. And you guys launched on Indiegogo in 2017. And when are you expected to hit the market with a fully produced version? I know behind us right now, we've got some, and in front of us, we've got some early prototypes that we'll show as part of this. But when are you guys expecting to ship?
Yeah, so we're just beginning the tooling process this month. We're still on track for early summer for North American backers. We've got just about 300 backers so far in the United States. So we're looking into May, early June still. And then we just opened today, actually, international pre-sales all across the world. We wanted to figure out those logistics before we opened those floodgates. Those will deliver around August of 2018.
Okay, so tell me a little bit about the technology and what the machine actually does to the material, like shirts or pants or whatever they're putting in there.
Yeah, so it's really super simple. We wanted to keep it chemical free. Saw a lot of bad reviews on other products that use chemical spots on your clothes, things like that. So we use distilled water and hydrosols, and that's basically just the runoff from the cologne and perfume manufacturing process. So it was waste before us, really. So we infuse those, and that's what's in our biodegradable pods. You plug the pod in, it preheats to just before boiling, and then it goes through our patent-pending steamer device right before boiling. The steamer kicks it up over boiling into steam. It creates pressurized steam, and then the steam actually kills bacteria, de-wrinkles, and the hydrosols add a nice fragrance. And then it finishes the cycle off with a nice dry, so your shirt comes out nice and dry.
So I got here from Portland. My bag was full of shirts that are folded and wrinkled. Can I put multiple shirts in there, and how long does it take to get a shirt wrinkle and fragrance free?
Yeah, so cycle's 10 minutes. We recommend 1 shirt for optimum results. You can fit 2 or 3 in there if you want, but we recommend 1.
Okay. And right now it's still available for pre-sale until you guys ship. What's the price point on that? And then what is it going to retail for after pre-orders have finished?
Yeah, so right now it's $3.99 on Indiegogo. In May, when we start shipping, it'll be $4.99, and that'll be the final retail price.
Great. Again, this is Jake Rossman for Digital Trends. We are here at the Sands Expo with Tersa. Stay tuned for more coverage at CES.